How to play GTA 5 online. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase or play GTA 5 online. It's very simple. So there's actually two specific options where you can go. First method of doing this is via Steam. Once you successfully pull up your Steam, make sure that you're logged in into your Steam account. And then in here, just simply head straight into store and then search for GTA 5. Now, you're going to have to choose on Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhance. And then from here, just simply add this into your cart and start your purchase so that you can play online with GTA and as well as on offline mode. The next thing that you can do is to purchase the game via Rockstar Games, like so. Now, before doing this, make sure that you already logged in or you have an account with Rockstar Games. If you do not have, simply create one. It's totally free. Next is go into game activation and then choose on Grand Theft Auto 5. Now, if you purchase the game directly from Rockstar Games, there's actually a lot of benefits that you can have, especially with the GTA 5 or the GTA Plus. And that's it. That's how you play GTA 5 online.